Best practices for hearing protection compliance in South Africa. Why hearing protection matters. Noise-induced hearing loss is permanent but preventable. Affects thousands of workers in mining, manufacturing, and construction. Compliance improves worker health, productivity, and legal standing. Legal framework. Key regulations: Occupational Health and Safety Act, OHSA. Environmental regulations for workplaces, Regulation 7, noise. SENS 10083:2004, measurement and assessment of occupational noise. Employers must assess noise exposure. Provide hearing protection above 85 dB. Conduct medical surveillance and audiometric testing. Identify and assess noise hazards. Conduct a noise risk assessment, use calibrated sound level meters or dosimeters. Identify continuous versus impulse noise. Classify areas into less than 85 dB, SHEQ. 85 to 90 dB, action required. 90 dB, mandatory protection and hearing conservation. Choose the right hearing protection. Types of protection: earplugs, disposable or reusable, NR 22 to 33 dB. Earmuffs, over the head or helmet attached, NR 20 to 30 dB. Consider noise level, comfort and fit. Compatibility with other PPE. Fit and wear it right. Best practices for fit and use: roll, pull and insert earplugs properly. Ensure earmuffs seal around the ear. No obstructions like glasses or hair. Train workers regularly on correct use and hygiene. Training and awareness. Training should cover dangers of noise exposure, proper use and care of protection, how to report defective PPE, refresh training annually or when new equipment is issued, monitoring and record keeping. Keep detailed records of noise assessments, PPE issued by worker, training attendance, audiometric test results. Use this data to refine your hearing conservation program. Foster worker engagement. Build a safety culture. Encourage supervisors and leaders to model compliance. Involve workers in selecting comfortable PPE. Reward departments with strong safety track records. Use signage and toolbox talks to reinforce key messages. Conclusion and takeaways. Best practices recap: conduct regular noise assessments. Provide suitable hearing protection. Deliver clear, ongoing training. Maintain detailed records. Encourage a culture of responsibility. Hearing conservation equals long-term safety plus legal compliance. Contact us for all your PPE needs.